Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the best websites where you can learn blockchain. Blockchain is nowadays a very rapidly growing field in IT, so you must have to take a look on blockchain. If you are interested in it, then you must learn it and earn good amount of money through it. So guys, first of all, we will go to fiverr.com. As you know, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services online and people can buy it and you have earned money through this model. There are also other freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Guru.com, etc. But Fiverr.com is one of the best. So I search here blockchain developer. So as you can see, there are only 1,000 services available, which means low competition. And let's see, open 1 or 2 gigs and with good reviews. Okay, the first gig I will do Web3 and blockchain development. First of all, uh, I would like to change the currency in USD. Yes. Then I open the gig one, two, and that one. So the first is from Nilesh Kikani from India, and he charged $2,500. I will provide services for blockchain, 30 days delivery, standard package, 2 revisions, source code. And this is he completed 190 orders. And if you multiply this, then you can guess how much money he made from this single gig. So that's why he's Fiverr choice. After that, you can also check his projects and other things. So we will move towards next slide. The next gig is Ahmad Saeed from Pakistan, and he completed 58 orders. In basic package, he charged $150. We will do smart contract development for your any blockchain project. In standard, he charged $450. Website design plus smart contract plus wallet integration. In third, he charged $600. All in one standard package plus 30 days technical support plus promotional guide. So this is good. You can also get idea from his bio and from his gig description, but do not copy his gig description. Uh, Take a look and take an idea and make write your own. After that, the third is from Sabir. He also completed 828 orders and he charged $70. Book a call to discuss in detail. And when you call him and then you discuss your project with him, and then he quote you a project price. So I think it's charged about $2,500 to $3,000 per project, and he completed 828 projects. So that's it. So I think Fiverr part is over now. Now move towards our websites. So the first website is cryptozombies.io. In this website, you can click on courses and you can start learning about if you are beginner, if you are advanced, Oracle, Solidity, Tron, these all are the terms of cryptocurrency. So you can learn from these tutorials on cryptozombies.com. After that, there is consensus.net Academy, blockchain developer online bootcamp. You can also course page. I open this and blockchain developer on demand. These are the courses. First course is blockchain developer online, where our graduates work like IBM, General Motors, and Maker, and many big companies. So you can view the course syllabus, and these are the course sections. So you can uh, go through it, and if you like it, join their course. So the third, and this is the second course, the blockchain developer program on demand. You can also check this course. And the third and last website is developer.ibm.com. This is the official website of IBM, and these are the tutorials. You can also uh, search tutorial from here, and you can learn the skill of blockchain and AI and machine learning from here. So I think these websites are three best websites from where you can learn cryptocurrency. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video, and till then, keep learning. Goodbye.